Hi, James Corney, yeah?
Yeah.
So, what have you been doing today?
I've been racing in C1 individual kayak, individual canoe, K1 individual kayak and double canoes C2.
Has it been good?
It's been great, yeah. Great atmospheres, plenty of people here in the commentary. Adds a race-like feeling, it's great.
Do you know what position you've come yet? Or?
I think I was second in the C1, I'm not sure about the other ones so far.
Oh, great. And I believe you compete for Prydain?
We made the Great Britain team this year in C2 with my partner Tom Abbott, and we'll be racing in the World Championships in Slovakia in a week's time.
Oh, wicked. Good luck.
Thanks.
Since when did you start?
I started 4 years ago in Llanser in West Wales with Nigel Midgley, one of the coaches who's on the course right now. Just progressed up the divisions to now.
Wow, well done. What made you want to start?
I started because I was on the indoor rowing club in school, and our school at Duffy Talf brought us to Nigel and we started having it.
Oh, great. Well, good luck to you next week.